From day to night, versatile men's outfit ideas. Title: From day to night, versatile men's outfit ideas. Introduction. For the modern man, convenience and style are essential elements in shaping his everyday life. With busy schedules and a need to seamlessly transition from daytime commitments to nighttime social pairings, having versatile outfits that effortlessly adapt is a must. 1. The classic suit. A classic suit is a timeless and versatile piece in any man's wardrobe. Whether it's a business meeting during the day or a formal event in the evening, a well-fitted suit will make you look sharp and sophisticated. Opt for a well-tailored suit in neutral colors like navy, charcoal gray, or black. Pair it with a crisp white shirt and a versatile tie for a professional, daytime look. For the tea time transition, ditch the tie, unbutton the top button, and roll up the sleeves for a more relaxed and stylish appearance. 2. The smart casual look. Smart casual is a popular dress code that provides the perfect balance between formal and casual wear. It's an ideal choice for various events, from work gatherings to dinner dates. Start with a pair of well-fitted chinos or tailored trousers in a neutral tone like beige or khaki. Pair it with a button-down shirt, either plain or patterned, and roll up the sleeves for a more relaxed daytime look. To transition into the night, swap the shirt for a fitted polo or a well-fitted blazer for a more polished and refined look. 3. The denim ensemble. Denim is a versatile fabric that can be dressed up or down, making it an excellent choice for transitioning from day to night. Start with a pair of well-fitted jeans in a dark wash and pair them with a casual button-down shirt. During the day, layer it with a lightweight cardigan or a comfortable sweater for added warmth. When evening comes, shed the layers and replace the sweater with a stylish leather jacket for a more edgy and contemporary vibe. 4. The layered look. Layering is not only practical but also adds depth and versatility to your outfit. For a day-to-night transition, utilize layering techniques to adapt to changing temperatures and elevate your style. Start with a basic plain t-shirt as your base layer, and then add a lightweight shirt or a casual blazer on top. During the day, wear it as is for a relaxed and effortless look. As the night approaches, remove the outer layer, unbutton the shirt, and roll up the sleeves for a trendy and comfortable evening outfit. 5. The statement piece. A statement piece can easily transform your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. This could be a bold patterned blazer, a statement pair of shoes, or a unique accessory. Incorporating a statement piece into your outfit allows for a quick and impactful transition from day to night. During the day, let the statement piece be the focus of your ensemble by pairing it with neutral clothing. In the evening, build your outfit around the statement piece, creating a cohesive and eye-catching look. 6. The athleisure trend. The athleisure trend has gained popularity in recent years, and it's a perfect choice for a day-to-night transition. Start with a pair of stylish jogger pants or athletic-inspired trousers in a neuter color like black or gray. Pair it with a comfortable and breathable fitted t-shirt or a hoodie for a casual daytime look. To transition into the evening, swap the t-shirt for a sleek polo shirt or a well-fitted bomber jacket for a more put-together and refined appearance. 7. The monochrome look. The monochrome look is a timeless and sophisticated choice that seamlessly transitions from day to night. Choose a single color palette, such as all black or shades of